Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. I'm just around the nursery looking at more of our lovely crops for you. Middle of September, what's looking good? Well, Alstroemeria, it's called summer pepper. So it's been flowering all summer long. This has these lovely, bright red with a hint of sort of gold in the centre, a few dark flecks in the middle. Summer pepper, that's the name of the variety. Beautiful blossom flowers on the top of each stem. It's a hardy herbaceous plant, so that will come back each and every year in your garden, go down for winter and then erupt each spring, throw up new shoots, and each of those shoots is going to have a head of flowers like this on. We're in September now and this one is still going, producing fresh shoots like this, and there's more buds coming on here. So you're going to have a few more weeks of bloom out of these yet. Probably these will go until November, until we get those really harsh frosts of winter coming in, and they're just going to keep throwing up more spikes until that comes. Then it will go down to dormancy and come back next year, do all the same again. This will form a clump about 2 foot to 3 foot wide over time. Probably go safest to go on the 2 foot sort of side, and say 2 foot tall once it's in the ground in your garden. So that's Alstroemeria summer pepper. Thanks very much. See you next time.